If you want to change the email address linked to your Konami ID in eFootball, this video will show you exactly how to do that. First, open your web browser and search for Konami login. Then, tap the first official Konami website that's appear in the search results. Now, sign in to your Konami account using your current email address and password. If you are asked to complete the human verification, simply follow the on-screen instruction to continue. Once you are signed in, tap the menu option in the top right corner of the screen. Here, look for the account information section and tap on it. Now, scroll down a little and you will see your current email address. Simply tap on it. To continue, tap Submit. Konami will send a verification code to your current email address. Open your email inbox, find the message from Konami and copy the code. Then come back and enter the verification code to confirm your identity. Next, type in your new email address. Make sure it's an email account you can access because Konami will send another verification code to it. After entering your new email address, Konami will send a verification code again. Open the email and enter the verification code. Once the new email address is verified, your Konami ID email will be updated immediately. I am not going to change my email address in this video, but these are the exact steps you need to follow. And that's how you can change your Konami ID email in eFootball. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.